Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to easily link your PlayStation Network or PSN account to your Steam account. Now this allows you to unlock specific rewards and sync data for supported games. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to make sure a specific setting is enabled within Steam to ensure smooth connectivity. So open your Steam client on your PC, then click on Steam at the top left-hand corner. And after that, just simply click on Settings. Now inside Settings, just simply click on Remote Play. And over here, just simply enable the Remote Play option right over here. So once that is done, you can close the settings window entirely. The actual linking process will happen inside a PlayStation game. You cannot do this from the general Steam settings menu. You must launch a Sony title that supports this feature. Some examples of supported games are Helldivers 2, Horizon Forbidden West, The Last of Us Part 1, Marvel's Spider-Man, or God of War. So go ahead and launch any one of those games from your library, and once your game is started up, keep an eye on the main menu or the initial settings screen. You will typically see a prompt like a Link Account button or a QR code displayed on that screen. Then click on that button or scan the code. This will redirect you to a web browser where you will need to log in. Then enter your existing PSN email and password, and if you don't have one, you can create a new account right there. And after that, confirm your login and your account will be successfully linked. So that's it. Your Steam and PlayStation accounts are now connected. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.